Hey, thanks for joining me today. So we're just going to go over a quick few things: how to start your first dashboard, how to get that first modified data set going, and how to get the widgets added to those dashboards. So for starters, we'll go to data settings and hit data set here at the left. Then it'll show up any data sets that you and your team may have already going. But if you don't have any or you want to add a new one, you just hit add data set here at the top right. Then it'll ask you what the source you want to choose. So we'll hit sample connectwise connection. That's the source that I have connected itself right now. And then over here at the right, it'll ask you, or you can choose what value you're looking for. I will choose ticket. Then it'll pull up anything to do with ticket. I'm just going to go with tickets. And then it'll find anything to do with tickets for me. Once it loads here, you'll see that it has that ticket number and the last updated number for me, or last updated date. Then I can choose the priority. So I can find, I can sort, or I can add the priority ID, name, priority sort to this column. I'm going to go with name, so it'll show me if it's priority 3, priority 1, emergency, low priority, etc., etc. Then I can exit out of that, or close, delete that filter, and add a new filter. I like to go with owner name, so that I know who's on that ticket. And you'll see there, it'll put the owner name there. Right now there's no owners on these tickets, but when there is an owner, it'll pop up right there. Then just to save that data set, you hit save and close at the top right, and then it'll load and sync all of the stuff that you just made. Now to get that data set modified, you hit modified data sets at the left, right over here by data sets, and then you hit add modified data sets at the top right. Then you choose the data set that you just made, and you can hit preview if you want to see what that data set looks like right now. This is what it looks like. And then if I want, I can exit out, and these are all of the modifiers I have at the right. I can order how those tickets will show up, and I can hit this edit button, add column, select column, and then it'll order it by one of these values here: ticket number, last updated, owner name, priority name. I'll go with last updated, save and close. If I hit preview, you can see now that it's when it was last updated. Next, if I want to get rid of any duplicates that there might be, I can hit edit, and then keep the first row, select a specific column, and then I can do if there's a duplicate ticket number, last updated, owner name, priority name. For this one, I'll go with ticket number, save and close, and then I can name what this modified data set is. For me, I'll just say that it's order date, and yeah, we'll just go with order date. Keep it simple. Now, whenever I want to create a dashboard with that data set, I'll go over here to dashboards at the top left, and you can see this is all the dashboards that we already have. But right here, I can hit new dashboard. And then up here, I can name what the dashboard is, and I can say tickets. Then I can add widget right here, and then it will give me the chart type I want. For this one, I'll just go with numbers to keep it simple. Now choose my data set or modified data set. So here I'll just go with order date, since that's the data set I just made. And you'll see it'll pop up over there. And now I can name this widget, and this will be tickets open. Now, if I want to customize what this looks like, I can come down here and I can do thresholds. So I can add 3 different thresholds. So if I like to go red for if it's over that number, yellow if it's in between these, and then green if it's below that number. So if it's below 5, it'll be green. And if it's between 5 and 100, it'll be yellow. And if it's over 100, it'll be red. As you can see there, whenever it's on your screen, you'll see that how many, how big of a priority it is. So then you can kind of expand how big you want it. You can add more widgets too, if you want. So if you have 2 widgets, you can make it big. If you have a bunch of widgets, you can make it smaller. Then you can just hit save right here. And there you go. That's your dashboard. Now, if you guys have any other questions or you need anything else, just let us know and we'll get you taken care of. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.